In this video, I will demonstrate sweat soldering by fabricating the circle frame ring. In this video, you will need After the circles are cut out, I will super glue them together. I will scribe a circle on the inside of my circle. I will clean up the inside of the frame with a half round file. I will use my rubber mallet to shape the ring into a D shape. I will place small pallions of hard solder around the frame. Once the solder flows, I will spread the solder around with my solder pick. Once the pieces are together, it is time to sweat solder the band. I will recheck the alignment to make sure the band is still centered. When it is, I will start to solder by directing my flame on the band where I previously flowed solder. Sweat soldering is a great technique for layering flat pieces together in an effective way that doesn't create a lot of solder cleanup.